Who are you? Some people say that you are the sum of your experiences. Experiences that form your identity. By painting pictures, taking photos, or filming, humans have, throughout history, tried to preserve these precious moments. After all, a picture is said to say more than 1,000 words. Sony's long expertise in digital imaging now allows you to pocket something that can capture those moments, no matter where you are. Our highly skilled engineers have managed to make the new Exmor RS for mobile camera module even smaller and smarter, allowing us greater freedom when developing the beautiful design. And most importantly, it creates a better, clearer image. From dark environments to bright lights. For the first time on a smartphone, we introduce HDR video. It makes two images at the same time, one for the highlights and one for the shadows, and merges them together to one vivid image in brilliant color. So, who are you? If you believe you are the sum of all your experiences, we have given you the tool to capture those special moments, no matter the light condition. Learn more about yourself on SonyMobile.com.